Another Impulse.
This one probably was also a Dover. Well, before Dover.
Yeah. Original Dover. Mod Dover.
You know, I wonder if that other one we rode with Monitor was actually a Dover Impulse that was modernized.
Could have been.
No, it's not custom inside.
No, only outside.
This library likes their Dover Impulses. No, this was something. Look, it's green.
Yeah, that means, well, US did green, but I don't know if that's US's green.
It's a bit older, too old to be US.
Probably.
It's 50s, 60s.
Yeah, US showed up in what, late 50s?
70.
Oh, they weren't there until 70?
I think 69.
So I remember there being like a 60s something or other.
I think they showed up in, 1969.
Well, because they were the first to like pioneer digital elevators and stuff, right?
But if you look, look, that is all green. And that's not Dover door track on the outside either.
No. Something else.
It was orange here.
Resting rooms?
No, they didn't do Hydras that early on. I bet it was Montgomery, maybe.
Well, it has the Montgomery curve on the
I bet you it was a Montgomery.
You know, something we don't see very often, Montgomery Cone.
It was flashing as if it was nudging there.
Yeah, I noticed it just came back on. So I'm gonna have like all 4 videos in this series are all gonna be identical.
They're all Impulse. Whoa. Oh, no.
On the one hand, I feel like that could be a lot of trouble, but on the other
That might have just been some random jolt. Strooms, whatever those. Whoa.
air bubble. And
Look, this is like a whole big area up here.
Oh, I think it's supposed to be restrooms.
Oh, strooms.
Restrooms. That is cool.
Interesting. Yeah, this door frame definitely screams Montgomery. You coming?
Sure.
Don't want to miss our elevator. What are you looking
The
at?
automatic door. My brother does automatic door videos.
Ian?
Yeah, he does. I could theoretically put those on like shorts or something and be like automatic door. Just general commercial stuff, you know. That is the new channel motto. Raw videos of all things commercial exploration. Because I avoid editing.
Yeah, right.
And the whole reason I avoid editing.
Yeah, you don't want to edit the interesting parts out.
Yeah, I like to see.
Oh, this was put in here. You know, this looks like I can't tell if those. Yeah, it looks like it. I think there should still be another elevator.
So, 2 reasons I don't do editing. First off, it takes too long. Second off, I like to see everything the way I see it.
That's it.